today we're going to do this first experiment. So let's see what's in there. Can you tell me what to do first?
So in this video, we're going to be doing an experiment called a magic volcano. So for this experiment, we're going to need our conical flask, our spatula, a measuring cylinder, and a stirring stick. And from our
that looks
chemicals,
like a straw.
Yeah, it does. From our chemicals, we need citric acid. Sorry, that's baking soda. We need citric acid, baking soda, and red color. And we need a bit of water, which we have at our side. So, what we need to do first is fill out our measuring cylinder with water. I'll do this part and you can do the next step.
Okay.
Next, we're going to add 2 drops of red color.
I can do that. That's so easy. I can't open it.
Do you want me to open it?
Yeah.
Here you go.
Thanks.
2 drops.
Oops. That just... Here. It's hard to squeeze this one. No, it's not coming
Do you
out.
want me to do it?
Thanks.
So, can you mix that with our stirring stick?
Yeah. I'll tell it a straw. It looks like a straw, so I'll say it's a straw.
Okay. Okay. Next, we need the conical flask. Can you take it out?
Is this the conical flask?
This is the conical flask.
Oh. Yeah?
So we're going to take 2 scoops of citric acid and 2 scoops of baking soda. So do you want me to take them out and you can put them in?
Yeah. Here's the spoon.
Yeah.
Of course. Here. Put it. Oh, that's a lot. I think you should supposed to put a little bit, like, because you're gonna.
Here, you can do the baking soda now.
Okay. But can you open it for me?
Sure.
Because I'm sure it's gonna be hard to open. Oh. Okay. Just a tiny. Scoop it in there. Another scoop. Is that enough? Because
I think you need a bit more.
No,
Here,
I
I'll
put the
put it in.
first one. That much too. Yeah, half only. Because I put the first one and the second one half only.
Okay, so can you
No, you
shake the
dropped it.
flask? Or do you want me to do that?
I can do it. Okay, can I put the water in?
Yeah, that's our last step, and we have to put the water in. So
We'll put it.
no, move your hand.
Oh.
Go ahead. Put it all in at once.
It blasted. Why are they making bubbles? There's even bubbles on the ground. I know that's carbon dioxide, right?
Yeah. Isn't that cool?
Yeah, I can even smell it.
It's just like the title. It said Magic Volcano.
Yeah. It is volcano, but it's pink volcano, right?
Yeah.
We had a lot in there, but why is there just a little bit now?
Because all the carbon dioxide has escaped from the liquid now.
Oh. What's the science behind it?
Okay, so in this flask we had our baking soda and our citric acid, right?
Yeah.
So when we had them together, nothing happened when we just mixed them in powder form, right?
Yeah.
But when we added the water, the citric acid and the baking soda reacted. And that caused it to fizz, which means all the carbon dioxide just came out at once, which is why it looked like a volcano, right?
Yeah.
So that's the science behind it.
Why is there just a little bit water in this thing now?
Because that's the amount of water that we put in.
Okay. Okay, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe.